Hi, this is Jamie here with GearBest. I've got a great news for you all. We are giving away a free Ulefone Power 3 smartphone. The rules are very simple. Like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment under this video about the smartphone. Winner will be chosen on March the 12th, randomly picking by us. Now let's take a look at the unboxing of this phone.
Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest. I bring another smartphone with a very large, big battery. This is a new trend we're seeing from smartphone makers, bringing back the big guns, the big batteries again, as they did a couple of years ago. Then they kind of stopped with that, and now they're doing it again. So this is the Ulefone Power 3. I'm gonna set up the box right there. This is the Ulefone Power 3, and it's right here. It has a 6-inch Full HD display, and by the way, it comes with a free protecting case. Let me just take it out. Yeah, so this is free. It's included. You know, it's a nice extra if you want to keep your smartphone, you know, well protected. So the Ulefone Power 3 has a 6080 milliamp battery, which is about double the average from most smartphones, if we consider 3000 to be more or less the average. So again, 6-inch Full HD display, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of memory of storage, which can be increased with the use of a micro SD cards. A dual camera in the back here with a 21 megapixel plus a 16 megapixel camera, and a fingerprint scanner as well, a dual flash lights, and also a selfie camera, a front camera of 5 megapixel. Besides that, we have a MediaTek octa-core CPU inside at 2 gigahertz, and for the OS we have Android, and it's Android stock, which is really cool. It's just like Google devices. It's just, you know, the clean version of Android 7.1, by the way. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's a big smartphone, 6-inch display, as I said, slightly thick, slightly heavy, but you know, it feels very safe when you hold it in your hand. It's very ergonomic, it's very comfortable, and you know, it's all about the battery in this case. That's why it's called the Power 3. I don't know why 3, maybe they did 2 before that, but anyway, this one is the Power 3. It has a battery of 6080 milliamps, so that's really big. I mean, it can last you for 1 or 2 days without ever charging, even if you're using it intensively. For other specific technical specifications about the smartphone, you know, just check under this video, check the links. We might have coupons even for a better price. Like and subscribe, keep watching, and go to gearbest.com. You know, just type in Ulefone. It's a very simple yet peculiar word, but you know, just type it in and you'll find many other devices besides this one. Thank you for watching.